Hi Virgo, this is your next 7 days reading starting from the 23rd of April to the 30th of April. I'm going to look at your energies at this time to understand what is coming to you for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Virgo. So Virgo, your first two cards are the Hermit and the Temperance. So Hermit signifies you, Virgo, the wise one, the person who introspects, who has a beautiful energy of patience, introspection, and is some kind of retreat in this time period, because what is around you, what has been happening around you is the Five of Wands. There has been disagreements, there are obstacles on your path with the Five of Wands. There could be big competition around you in your work environment. With the Four of Cups, you could be feeling a bit dejected or rejected in this time period, but you have a beautiful energy of sensitively dealing with this situation with patience, and you are keeping your stress at bay by being in this beautiful combination of Temperance and the Hermit. So some clarity is coming over you with the Ace of Swords and the Sun card in this week. You will have a kind of lightning strike, meaning inside of your mind you will have a epiphany of some sort, and you will self realize something. And with the Sun card, lot of cobwebs or lot of shadow things around you will be uh, dissipated, and you will be able to see the clear picture. You will be able to recover from whatever has been ailing you or troubling you. So this is a good period with the sun shining, and with the Ace of Swords there is going to be conquering energies that will be taking over you, and that is coming from the Hermit and the Temperance attitude. So Hermit and the Temperance is retreating for introspection, taking time out, taking a break, uh, uh, tapping into your own counsel, and with the Temperance, balancing out situations, forgiving and learning, trying to patch up, trying to bring in balance by patient nature. That is what I am seeing, and this is also about not cribbing, not complaining in this time. So in terms of your love life, what I am seeing is there is a line cheating energy, someone who has hidden agendas. With the Seven of Swords, you could be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be dealing with people who are very smart, shrewd, or angels are asking you to, and Seven of Swords is clarified by Seven of Swords. So this energy is definitely there in your relationship. So there is someone around you who could be having their hidden agenda. They want to uh, you know slink out of a situation. They are not telling you the truth. There could be silence in this matter. There could be a partner who is not telling you anything clearly. You could be in two minds with this relationship. There could be also some misunderstanding, and there could be some fears and doubts regarding this. Angels are saying you could be dealing with a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. So you are not giving up on this energy. You are courageous with this energy, but you have gone through your share of selection, rejection, or feeling of in and out in this relationship. Maybe this person at this time is not so interested, so you need to retreat and recharge your energies and disengage from this person. Angels are trying to tell you. So the Judgment card here is telling me that take the wise course, take the correct approach. Some of you need to be more receptive towards someone. Some of you need to get yourself out of lowering energies or very codependent energies in this time period. So angels will be aiding you. A deadline call has been made, so that you take yourself into a balanced situation in this difficult relationship process. So this is not just about your courtship situation or your spouse. This could be about a close relationship, a friend, a family member, anyone. So whatever you are dealing with, you need to make the correct judgment to pull yourself up from difficult lowering circumstances or codependent energies where you are in your non-optimal self. So partnership card has come from the angels to you. This says that allow helpful supportive partnerships into your personal life and career, and both parties benefit as a result. You are receiving help from heaven and from a person who brings needed skills or resources. This could be also that you need to identify the correct person, you have to identify the correct lover, you have to identify the person who works in your interest and who works against you. So in terms of your career, what I am seeing is that you have gone through your share of ruin. You have gone through very difficult situations in your career, money, job, finance, but angels are saying that the wheel of fortune is giving you a shift in that cycle. There is going to be some fated or lucky chances that are coming to you. This can bring you an ace of pentacles, and the ace of pentacles is clarified by ace of pentacles. What this means is some kind of funding. It can mean an inheritance, it can mean a long-term secure proposal coming to you. This could be a job opportunity for some of you in this time period. So this is a great offer which can be converted. A proposal of security, stability, money is coming to you. Justice will take place in this time period. It could be connected to a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Justice will take place in this time. This can mean a bad situation or a situation where you were wronged that is changing for you. There is going to be a balancing, and balancing happens when you do not have enough, when you have been wronged, when you are not getting the correct opportunity, when you are not getting what you are working for. Sometimes we do not get what we have been working for, and there is a way of the cosmos to balance that situation which is lopsided and which is upset. So there is going to be a correction in your economy. There is going to be a job opportunity, money opportunity, career opportunity coming to you in this time period. So you will be pulled out of the Five of Pentacles, you will be pulled out of the lack situation, less money situation, some deficiency in your career. There could be, some of you were treated badly by your organization. That is changing. It is telling you that your Nine of Pentacles is arriving. So basically, your situation that was filled with troubles in your job, career, a new contract could be making a difference. It could be giving you an elevation, and that is because you have worked hard to build something in this time period. In terms of business, it is telling us a new contract will come and elevate your business situation. It will give you enough. So that is what I am seeing. So very, very good career situation, money, job, finance situation coming to you. So successful funding is the angel card here. It is telling us that your idea is divinely guided. You could be getting some return for your good ideas. So your idea is divinely guided and supported by the same infinite wisdom of God that gave you that idea. Do not allow money concerns to prevent you from running it into reality. So this is for those people who will be using their diplomacy, who will be using their creativity, who will be who could be moving mountains, putting in a lot of effort in their business, in their job. So do not allow money concerns, or some of you are looking at the end result. Do not do that. Do not look at what is the residue. Money is the residue. What is more important is how to move about the ambition and how to achieve it. So crowdfunding, partnerships and investments, or association with a rich person could be coming in or sorting your problem regarding your money, and in no time you will be feeling funded in this time period, and successful funding is coming to you. So something lowering is ending in your path. So Ten of Wands and the Devil card and the Ten of Cups card. So two tens means a fast ending. This means something is going to end very fast, and what it is connected to is the devil. So the devil is the lowering energies, devil is the toxicity, devil is the fear, devil is the chronic illness, devil is the decisions that we made which were wrong. So you will be taken out of some aspect, some lowering aspect in your life at this time this week. So what this means is the world is arriving, the Eight of Cups is arriving. So this is Eight of Cups means you will be leaving or departing from a difficult situation. The world is about travel. The world is about successful ending and a new beginning, stepping into a new world and elevation and upgradation, a beginning of a new cycle in life after finishing successfully an old cycle. So this is the kind of energy I am seeing. So a pathway could be opening up for you after walking for a long time through the shaded groves, through the shaded period. You are seeing light in this time period. Sudden wealth could be coming in. Definitely funding is happening. Sudden wealth is coming in your economy. You have been working very hard. So toil and labor card tells me that you work very hard, but you are not paid commensurate with your amount of work that you put in. So you could be wronged in your situation, you could be shortchanged in your situation. That is now changing into sudden wealth. So sudden wealth is coming in for you, and this is going to bring in great energies of encouragement in your life at this time. So Virgo, I wish you all the best. I wish all these things what I have said happens for you. May God bless you. If you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who want a reading for their personal issues, you can contact me through the email ID in the description box. I am available, but I take some time to read your mails. So my email ID is there. Just write one line and I will reply to you and tell you how to book my readings. Keep watching this space. I'll be bringing more readings for you very soon. Bye bye.